the word? What's the word? You already know the vibe, you heard. We the fuck outside, yes sir. Y'all see them boys, listen. It's a nice ass day today.
Yes sir, boys. Look at this. It's like, you wanna pull up to the shop? Which one you trying to drive? These things are crazy. Sheesh. Not only that, but look what's across the street, you heard? Yes, sir. That shit nice. People pulling up, you know? It's nice little chill vibes. That nigga left. Hey, yo, who mans is this, bro? Oh, shit! Hey, yo, what is he trying to do, bro? Hey, yo, nah, he trolling. He trying to fuck up his fucking... Alright, let's see, we got the 345 Hemi. This thing clean. Listen, the burgundy car. That shit crazy, bro.
What's up?
Then we got the Shaddy, you heard? That thing crazy too. Got the Scatty.
What's the other option besides the Casa?
I ain't gonna lie, like Scatties, they don't even need that extra like wrap and all that extra shit. Like they just look nice, just the body. And it's a wide body too, bro. Come on. Can't get better than that on no cap, you heard? Another Scatty, the regular jaw, not the wide body. See what I mean? Like, look at that, right? Look at the regular Scat, and then look at the wide body. Like, come on, bro, that jaw look crazy. Then we got the Hemi, Demon Time, you heard? The yellow, bro, what? Yo, this jaw parked next to the burgundy one. Hey, yo. I ain't even gonna lie, if I give me one of these little Johns, if I do, because I don't trust myself in one of these, but if I give myself a Scatty, have that John burgundy and yellow. This thing go crazy too though. Daytona is different. Sure, got the Mustang. Is that Kona? I think that's Kona. Got the 300. These Johns, like, don't sleep on these Johns, honestly. You would be sleeping on these. You can't sleep on them. Especially the SRT Johns. Listen, you can't sleep on them. Them things is crazy. We got another Scatty. The wide body, yeah. Like, come on, boys.
Listen, I ain't gonna lie. If I was to have to pick, matter of fact, which one would y'all pick? If y'all had to pick out of one out of all these Johns right here. Burgundy, black, gray, red, yellow, or the black Scat. Which one would y'all pick? I ain't even gonna lie. What's calling my name right now is like this gray John and that black John. But the black, you gotta go with the black. You gotta go with the black. Like the gray is clean, but it's just like the black. Listen, you outside, you heard. This John nasty too though. Little SRT John. This shit clean. We got other Johns across the street too. Got that John. We got the rest SRT over there. We got the green John over there. Matter of fact, let me take y'all to a closer look. Hold up. Let me cross the street before I get hit. Listen, we got the Mustang. Shit, Kona. This thing go hard though. Ew. Ew, that's nasty, boys. Where? Oh, shit, look at Grim.
Fuck yeah. And I got a full fucking tank. And I got a full...
Yes, sir. Grim John go crazy. We got the green Hemi. And of course, the Vettys. But if you want to see the Vettys, you gotta go on my Instagram and check out that montage. Cause I'm not gonna the Vettys like that.
Hold up, I gotta cross the street for Grim. Grim drone look crazy, boys. Oh my God, y'all gonna let me cross? Damn. You gonna let me cross, bro? Can I cross? Can I cross? What's up with your boss?
Yo, what's going on?
Chillin'?
Yeah.
Chillin'. Damn, you just clean this joint?
I don't really drive it that much.
Damn, this joint look like.
That shit just be sitting at the place.
This baby shining.
I don't really drive it.
I gotta get some pictures of this joint. No cap.
This joint bargain.
This what?
No.
What? You can't. You crazy. This thing is clean.
Right, that's what I said. I'm glad they put the switch on. Yo, bro.
Oh, they coming in now. Ain't no niggas scared of them.
Lock that off.
Look, they no niggas scared of them.